When purchasing doors and windows, we can never avoid the issue of glass configuration, but how much do you know about common glass configurations? Can you understand the dense numbers on the drawings provided by the store? Hi, this is Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization Channel. Follow me, let you know different glass knowledge. In today's video, we will share with you some common glass configuration formulas and what the numbers and letters in the formulas mean. We chose a formula that basically includes common glass configurations as an example, which is the English combination of the string of numbers you see at the top of the screen, 5G and 0.76 PVB and 5G and 12AR and 5G and 12AR and 5GL. The combination of this string of numbers in English is more complicated. Today I will break down what these numbers and letters mean. First of all, what does 5G, which appears most frequently in this formula, mean? 5 refers to the thickness of a single glass piece of 5 millimeters. G is the abbreviation of glass. In addition to 5 grams, there are 6G, 8G, 10G, based on the size of the glass area, respectively adapted to thicker glass, followed by another combination 12AR. 12 refers to the separation distance between two layers of single glass is 12 millimeters. AR is the abbreviation of argon gas. Then 12AR means that the 12 millimeters hollow space between the two single layer glass is filled with the inert gas argon. But you have to pay attention here. If your drawing says 12A instead of 12AR, although there is only one missing, the letter R, but the meaning is completely different. The letter A at this time means air. Another key structure is the part in the brackets. 5G and 0.76 PVB and 5 grams, where 5G is the single layer glass with a thickness of 5 millimeters that we just mentioned. So what does 0.76 PVB mean? PVB is a chemical term that refers to a polymer material made of plasticizer, DHA plasticizer. You can simply understand it as a fake adhesive film. Then 0.76 PVB refers to a 0.76 millimeter thick fake adhesive film. The same thicker ones include 1.14 PVB and 1.52 PVB. So do you now understand what 5 grams plus 0.76 PVB and 5G means? That is, there is no laminated glass in the middle by combining two layers of single glass with a laminated film air cavity. The last letter L is often the most overlooked, but it is a very important factor in thermal insulation and energy saving of doors and windows. It is the abbreviation of what we usually call low-E film. It is generally attached to the inner layer of the outermost glass of multi-layer glass, used to improve the overall thermal insulation and energy saving effect of doors and windows. When you clearly propose to add low-E film, the store will definitely indicate L or low-E on the drawing. So here, this series of formulas is finished. Do you now know what this long series of numbers and English combinations mean? In layman's terms, it is for glass, to cavity laminated low-E glass. Let's take a look at what the real thing looks like. Okay, the above is the entire content of this video. If you are interested in my video, I hope I can get your likes and subscriptions. Here is Shandong Yuhang Insulating Glass Line. The next video will show you some other different types of glass.